Welcome back to Instables, everyone. Again, as we lead into tomorrow's Jackson Hole and Powell speaking on Friday, as we have been continuing on with lower highs now breaking just above our trend line here. Will we possibly continue on higher, or will we possibly get a rejection and continue on lower as our 12 is still below our 26? I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, major volatile movers at very key levels, pre-market news that you want to be watching as early as you're going to find it. For example, here with VCIG, again mentioning early in pre-market, looking for a continuation, continued on higher, and then looking for a continuation above pre-market high, continued on higher, and then midday, if we were looking for that continuation here into newer highs above $8, continued on all the way up to $8.25. Again, go to instables.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day. Again, let's jump into this one. So jumping into the SPY with you guys here again, looking at our daily candle structure as we anticipate tomorrow's Jackson Hole. Very cautious again. Tomorrow, anything can possibly happen. We could get a large red candle if we get a very hawkish tone from our Feds. That can very much likely happen, and that could be that false break to the upside and a continuation on this trend line to the downside. Again, I know that we just broke here, but we did not close above here. And again, leading into tomorrow's Jackson Hole, we are open-ended here with a possible false break to the upside or a possible continuation. And again, we would be looking for that consolidation, continuation back higher. And again, that continuation will come when our 8-day crosses back above our 21. And when we close, while our 8-day crosses back above our 21, we will gap up into our prior gap downs. That's what we're looking for. That confirmation very much will come from our MACD. Looking at our 12 just below our 26, we need our 12 to cross back above our 26. Again, a nice bounce that we've been getting from our decreases in sell pressure. Continued on with that decrease in sell pressure. Very much cautious to the downside, but if we get confirmation to the downside, that will be that continuation. But as our 12 curls back up here, we are cautious to the downside as well, looking for confirmation higher or lower from here. Again, very much into Jackson Hole, how we digest after Powell speaking on Friday, leading into next week, will be what we're looking for. If we continue on with increases in sell pressure, if we get those solid red bars to show that increase in sell pressure, or continuation on decreases in sell pressure here to show that we will bounce back with our 8 crossing back above our 26. So again, our confirmation looking for our 12 to cross back above our 26 to have that continuation back above our 8-day, and again, our 8-day crossing above our 21 here to show that continuation closing above here will be that bounce back short-term play, that smarter play, of course, that we would be looking for instead of playing into data. In my opinion, tomorrow's Jackson Hole very much could be hawkish. A lot of Feds have been warning that we could very much have a very short-term pullback possibly, and to not worry about short-term moves, and that shows that we could possibly have an early signal for a possible hawkish Jackson Hole tomorrow. We'll see exactly what happens, but again, Powell on Friday, very key, guys. Looking at our weekly candle structure again as we sit within our prior bodies candle, looking for that proof of concept higher or lower here. Again, if we close within our prior week's candle this week and we possibly continue on with an open and close above our 8 weekly moving average, that will be that bounce back and that possible gap up into our prior gap down, possibly retest higher highs here, and then we'd be looking for that proof of concept higher or that possible confirmation on a pullback here. We'll see exactly what happens there, but very much looking to see exactly how this candle closes into next week. Will be that possible continuation higher or back below our 21 weekly moving average if we do close back below our prior lows here. Again, here exactly at 435 will be that close on our weekly chart below for that continuation lower. Now looking at our monthly candle structure, again, still sitting within our prior month's candle, but again, mentioning that we could possibly bounce back again as we had a rejection here. Again, no engulfing candle showing that psychological open that could be, again, with a wick to the downside here on our 8-month moving average as we point up here, looking for that possible close going into next month as well for that possible continuation back higher. Respecting our 8-month moving average would be that ideal bullish case scenario. That's what we're looking for from here on our monthly chart. This is what we need to be watching here for that continuation. Back to our daily chart again to recap. I wanted to go over our Fibonacci lines here since we are on a bounce. I want you guys to see exactly what our resistance would be from here. As you guys can see here, leading into Jackson Hole, exactly testing our 0.382 fib here Again, this resistance here at 443, we want a possible continuation above our 0.5 fib. Again, closing back above our 8-day for that continuation back above our 0.5 fib would be the ideal. Again, a possible break higher here, possible retest, and then continuation back above 446, in my opinion, would be that bullish case scenario that we'd be looking for with our 8-day crossing back above our 21. That would be that overall bullish case scenario here, guys. That's what we're watching out for. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, major volatile movers at very key levels, again, pre-market news as early as you're going to find it, go to instabills.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. And again, all of you Instabills, I appreciate every one of you guys for supporting the channel. Looking forward to going at it. We will continue to go at it. Staying blessed. Number one focus that we will stay focused on. And of course, very cautious leading into Jackson Hole and Powell on Friday. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all. I'll see you guys in pre-market.